Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Skillset Code. In the last video we have seen what is view and view group in a layout file, and what is a view element and what is a view group element, and what elements can user can see and interact with. So in this video we will learn the important layout, that is linear layout, and also called as view group element. So view group elements can have a view group as a child and it can have a UI elements. Means the elements the user can see and interact with. So if you see this layout file we have created along with the second activity. This second activity is linked to activity second, that is this XML. So let's use a linear layout to design a UI for taking a input username and password and one sign in button. So let's change this constraint layout to linear layout. We can use linear layout or you can use linear layout compact. Now we have changed a linear layout. Linear layout is generally used to structure its elements in a order of line, either vertical or horizontal. We can mention the orientation of the linear layout elements with using orientation, Android orientation attribute. We can mention vertical. So in this linear layout presently we have one text view, and we will be having a edit text for username and a password and a sign in button. So as soon as we add those elements here, those will be viewed in a line order vertically. So let's go to design and just drag and drop whatever the elements we need. So we need a text, edit text to input the username. So let's go to text and drag and drop the plain text. So here we can enter the username and we need a password field. So here if you see we have password. So let's drag and drop the password, and we need a sign in button. Let's go to button section and just drag and drop a button. And in this text we need to mention username as a placeholder. Here you can go to, if you see these are all attributes for this element. Here we have a hint, just enter username. So here we have a hard text. If you click on this element you will be seeing Android text is name. Just remove it, then you will be seeing a placeholder what we have added. Let's go to design and add a placeholder for this also. This one is password, and this button is a sign in button. Let's change this button text to sign in. So here if you observe we have edit text and a button, and the text of the button is button. Let's change to sign in. So if you observe we have a sign in button. So this is the design for a login screen. Now if you see all these elements in a line in a vertical order. So the main purpose of this linear layout is to structure those elements in a line order, and one element is not related to another element here. So but if you see the relative layout all elements are interlinked. So but in linear layout the layout itself will taken care of the structure. So now just improve this UI design. Here sign in button is left side, and username text is starting from left side, and password text is starting from left side. We want all these elements to be centered. So if you want to apply any attribute to all these elements you need to mention in a parent layout. So what are the parent, what is the parent of all these elements? The parent of all those elements is this linear layout. So there is a gravity attribute. We can mention center so that all elements will be centered. So if you see all the elements of the layout got centered. Let's see what are all values are available. this is center, this is bottom, this is center horizontal. So if you see horizontally it is center, so let's keep it center. So now we have username, password and sign in button. So this is how we'll design a linear layout UI file. Here if you want any other elements to add, you can add it either in between of these elements or after these elements. So in future videos we will learn more about the layouts. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.